Right, it's been a tough day for the Marshall boys for one reason or another, and James is determined to beat Taylor's time on the Hosepipe challenge. So here we are. Are you ready, son? I think it's hit 1:30 you got to beat.
1:40 something.
No, we'll double check that. Anyway, Marshall boys, James is on the go. Hosepipe challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. Oh, he's putting some effort in. Get that nice tight curl, get it tight, nice and tight. 30 seconds, or maybe no, a little bit less than that. Go on, keep going, get it nice and tight. Oh, he's putting up a fight, he's putting up a fight. Look at the mess, go, go, go. It's getting in one way or another, I think, folks. Go on, get it in there, son. Go on. It's come apart. It's come apart. It's fighting. It's putting up a fight. Oh. Too much haste, I think. Get that snake in there. Get that snake in there. Quick. Oh, Zip's going in. Oh, he's going to stuff that bit in. Yeah, go. Nearly there. Come on, quick. He's done, he's finished. Well done, mate. Good lad. Now take it out and do it again.